rains, a rainbow will appear when the sun comes out again, full of beautiful colors, just like this one. Red, orange, yellow, green and blue, purple and pink, 7 colors for you. This week's craft is to create a rainbow that you can play with at home. I made one using some yarn. Lots of different colors of yarn, just like our rainbow, tied on a hair tie. At home, you could use yarn or ribbon or even strips of fabric that you can tie onto something you can hold, like a hair tie or a shower curtain ring or a bracelet. And then you'll be able to use your rainbow as you dance and play. Let's make one together. I have all my yarns here that have all the colors of the rainbow. This one's a multicolor yarn. You can see red and orange and yellow, green and blue. And then I've got some other chunky yarn, some yellow and blue, purple, pink, and green. And I've cut them all into 1 meter lengths, so they're all the same length. I've tied them all in the middle to make it extra fluffy, but you can tie yours at the end to make it really long, or you can tie in the middle. I've got another hair tie here. Just one by one, make a simple knot around your hair tie and pull it snug. Red, orange, yellow, green and blue, purple and pink, 7 colors for you. It's a bit persnickety. You might want someone to help you hold the ring still while you tie onto it. Doesn't matter what order you choose to put your colors in. Maybe you don't want a rainbow one. Maybe you want just your favorite colors. What's your favorite color? Maybe you like red, orange, purple, or pink. There are so many wonderful colors that you can create your streamer with. We will be using these streamers in our upcoming unit, Wild Animal Park. And I have lots of yarn, so I am happy to put a kit together with all these colors and a hair tie. Each kit is just $1, very inexpensive, and then you can take it home and create your own streamer. Just send me a message, let me know how many kits you would like, and I will prepare them for you, and we can coordinate a pickup time too. Red, orange, yellow, green and blue, purple and pink, 7 colors for you. Colors of the rainbow, new and bright. Shine at me, there it is, in the after rain light. And now you have your very own dancing streamer that you can explore music and movement